Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadget Joy. Today, I'm thrilled to share my top Amazon kitchen gadgets that'll make your life easier and your cooking more fun. From keeping food warm to chopping veggies like a pro, these products are game changers. I've tested them all and trust me, they're worth every penny. Stick around to see why these are must-haves for your kitchen, and don't forget to check the links in the description to grab them. Let's jump right in. Coming in as number 1 is the food warming mat. This electric warming tray by Loudlife is perfect for parties and family gatherings. It offers 7 temperature settings, 104 to 212 degrees F, and can keep food warm for up to 99 hours. Made of food-grade silicone, it's foldable, easy to clean, and compatible with various tableware like ceramic and glass. Safety features include a child lock and auto shutoff after 5 hours. It's ideal for buffets, holidays, or even fermenting dough. Buy this to elevate your hosting game with warm, delicious meals every time. Number 2 is the Ninja Blender for kitchen. The Ninja SS101 Smoothie Blender is a powerhouse for your kitchen. With Smart Torque technology, it handles tough ingredients for smoothies, sauces, and frozen drinks. It features multiple blending modes, a 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker, and a nutrient extraction cup. The stainless steel blades ensure smooth results, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. This blender is perfect for quick breakfasts or healthy snacks. Buy it for its versatility and premium performance that makes meal prep a breeze. Number 3 is the stainless steel oil filter pot. This large-capacity oil strainer pot is a kitchen essential for storing and filtering cooking oil. Made of heavy-duty stainless steel, it's durable and comes with a fine mesh strainer to remove impurities. Its multi-function design is perfect for saving bacon grease or filtering frying oil. The pot is easy to clean and built to last, making it ideal for frequent cooks. Buy this to keep your oil fresh and reduce waste, saving you money in the long run. Number 4 is the portable blender for shakes and smoothies. This 20-ounce electric protein shaker is a must for gym-goers and busy folks. USB-C rechargeable, it blends smoothies and shakes in seconds. The insulated sleeve and travel lid make it perfect for on-the-go use. Its compact design fits easily in bags, and the powerful motor handles fruits and protein powders effortlessly. Easy to clean and portable, it's great for the kitchen, office, or gym. Buy this for convenient, healthy drinks anywhere. Number 5 is the 4 pieces fruit storage containers for fridge. These airtight containers with removable colanders keep your fruits and veggies fresh longer. Made for fridge organization, they're dishwasher safe and perfect for berries, lettuce, or grapes. The set includes 4 different sizes, offering versatility for meal prep or storage. Their transparent design lets you see contents easily, and the colanders ensure proper drainage. Buy these to save money on produce and keep your fridge neat and organized. Number 6 is the magnetic, refillable plastic wrap dispenser. This sturdy dispenser makes cutting plastic wrap, foil, or parchment a breeze. Its magnetic back sticks to your fridge, saving counter space. The built-in cutter ensures clean, precise cuts every time, and it's refillable for eco-friendly use. Compatible with standard roll sizes, it's a sleek addition to any kitchen. Buy this to simplify food prep and keep your kitchen clutter-free with its smart design. Number 7 is the Elite Gourmet Electric Jar Opener. This battery-operated jar opener takes the struggle out of opening lids. With one-touch operation and auto size guides, it works on most jar sizes. Its compact design is perfect for small kitchens, and it's a lifesaver for seniors or those with weak hands. Easy to use and store, it ensures effortless access to your favorite foods. Buy this for hassle-free jar opening and to make your kitchen tasks easier. Number 8 is the olive oil sprayer for cooking. This 16-ounce glass spray bottle by Julhui doubles as a sprayer and pourer. Perfect for cooking, it offers precise oil application for salads, grilling, or baking. The included stickers help label contents, and its ergonomic design ensures easy handling. Made of durable glass, it's reusable and easy to clean. Buy this to control oil usage, save money, and add a professional touch to your dishes. Number 9 is the Full Star Vegetable Chopper. This 9-in-1 veggie chopper is a kitchen game changer. It includes a spiralizer, egg slicer, juicer, and container for easy prep. The anti-slip base and sharp blades make chopping veggies quick and safe. It's perfect for salads, stir-fries, or meal prep, saving you time and effort. Easy to clean and store, it's a must for home cooks. Buy this for efficient food prep and to add variety to your meals. Number 10 is the Magnetic Spice Rack. This Meistozier magnetic spice rack set keeps your spices organized and accessible. The 4 shelves stick to your fridge, saving counter space. Made of sturdy plastic, they hold various spice jars securely. The sleek black design adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Easy to install and rearrange, they're perfect for small spaces. Buy this to declutter your kitchen and keep spices within reach. Number 11 is the Grip Jar Opener. This under-cabinet jar opener is a lifesaver for those with arthritis or weak hands. It effortlessly opens lids of all sizes with a simple twist. Its durable design mounts easily under cabinets, saving space. No batteries or electricity needed, it's reliable and eco-friendly. Perfect for daily use, it makes opening jars stress-free. Buy this for its simplicity and effectiveness in any kitchen. Number 12 is the Zule Kitchen Citrus Juicer. This cast iron orange juicer is a professional-grade tool for fresh juice. Its heavy-duty design extracts maximum juice from oranges, lemons, or limes with minimal effort. The stainless steel components are easy to clean and built to last. Perfect for breakfasts or cocktails, it's a stylish addition to your kitchen. Buy this for fresh, healthy juice and a durable, long-lasting tool. Number 13 is the Pancake Batter Dispenser. The Stirlex dispenser makes perfect pancakes, waffles, or cupcakes. Its funnel design ensures mess-free pouring with precise control. Ideal for breakfast or baking, it holds enough batter for multiple servings. Easy to clean and store, it's a fun tool for family cooking. Buy this to simplify baking and create flawless treats every time. Number 14 is the Zule Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater. This 5-blade cheese shredder is a versatile kitchen tool. With interchangeable drums, it grates cheese, veggies, or nuts effortlessly. The reinforced suction base keeps it stable, and the hand crank design is easy to use. Perfect for salads, pastas, or baking, it's durable and easy to clean. Buy this for quick, safe food prep and professional results.